Commissions and resolutions. Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week.
Second.
Moved by Mr. Pryor, seconded by Mr. Middleton. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? The ayes have it. Thank you. Mr. Middleton, are you going to do the honors? Come on down.
A resolution of Charleston County Council proclaiming the week of July 29th through August 5th, 2023 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Charleston County is one of the oldest counties in South Carolina, and in the 18th century, Charleston County and the South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as the Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, it's people coming to the United States as slaves to work on rice plantations, specifically in the coastal regions, including South Carolina, and with their African fair original language and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on southeastern South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country South Carolina, including Charleston County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. Whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act created by United States Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah, co-founders of the International Gullah Geechee Nation Celebration and the annual Gullah Geechee Nation Music and Movement Festival. And whereas Queen Ket has served as the official head Pundabadi, all right, and spokesperson for Gullah Geechee since July 2nd, 2000, and whereas the 23rd anniversary of the Gullah Geechee Nation is being celebrated under the theme Celebrating Gullah Geechee Resiliency, and whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions of the Gullah Geechee cultural heritage have given to our area and the sustainability of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Now therefore be it resolved that Charleston County Council does hereby proclaim the week of July 29th through August 5th, 2023 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Charleston County, and encourages its citizens to celebrate the Gullah Geechee Nation under the theme Creating Gullah Geechee Resiliency, and support Gullah Geechee businesses and institutions. Given on this 18th day of July 2023, Charleston County Council, Herbert R. Sass III, Chairman. And to you, Queen Ket.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Let's give her a hand.
Gotta get the photo op without you reading.
Where's she going?
One more. Thank you. Stop.
And I am able to code switch and speak fluent Gullah Geechee. Yeah, for true.
Okay. But Pryor, that thing true? Or that thing that probably put in a story in? You ain't get a story in. Okay then. So, thank you one more again, Charleston County Council. So glad to be back here with 100 children this evening and thing like that. And this evening, for the first time, my mama there with me too. Back on her back there. I wonder why you had your daughter to come up here every year for so long on these evenings. So that's why I'm glad you see. He got you to the top agenda, right? I said, I hope so. So he can get back down the creek and down the road and things like that. But I want to say to all the Charleston family, please come down the creek and down the road and things like that in Beaufort County, South Kakalaki on July the 29th. Because we can launch this year's celebration on Town Island at the Penn Center Landmark Historic District for the first time, which are also where we got the Reconstruction Era National Historical Park. And so we can start at noon We plan to go until 4:30. That at p.m. Unless you bring a good dancing shoe, and then we might go to a.m. Okay? So y'all make sure for come and join the whole family. Going to be plenty good time, plenty good thing for now, plenty thing like that. And we're so glad that one more again, Charleston to lead the way that in this year's celebration, because it started off right here. Okay? So this has been the first city and the first county we're going to celebrate them. So thank you for continuing the whole family culture. And I must say this, y'all, and I can say them so the other rest of them will understand. I appreciate the fact that you all made sure that the news would get to me about this here $100,000 or so that, yeah, y'all know, right? But y'all ain't giving to me. So I want it on the record that it's wonderful that the city of Charleston is going to lead the way with several discussions about our culture and history to be celebrated county-wide. So I really hope that this county is going to invest more, because $100,000 or $110,000 ain't going to get us very far. But I know that it's a blessing that you're going to do this, and all those libations and all these celebrations are not in vain. So I say that because I know some of the communals might didn't understand otherwise. So I want to make sure that they get that and get down the record. So I appreciate it. And I hope to attend some of those meetings. I won't be at all. But y'all know, call on me at any time. And I will help you with that process and bring in some of our folks from here to GM Solon and down Warmalaw, Eddie Stewart, all of this show. So we can come together and celebrate who we be. That we be Gullah, Geechee, and anointed people. So thank you, Charleston County. Appreciate you.